My name is Teacher Tina, and I am an online English teacher. I've been teaching English for almost 5 years now, and so far it has been a great experience. Who says learning English is difficult? It's actually easy. You just need to follow simple steps like A, be active, B, do your best, and C, be confident. I'm looking forward to having you in my class. Let's learn new words, phrases, and idioms. So, what are you waiting for? Take the next step and join me. Have a nice day!